Hello and welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name's Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching us today. On our program is Bill Allen, who's the Director of Marketing at Minuteman UPS. And Bill, welcome to the show.
Thanks, Rich. Great to be here.
So I thought we'd start out by just discussing what's some of the new things happening in the company.
Well, we continue to come out with new products. We've got some things coming up in the near future, but we continue our focus on our legacy products and what we do well. And one of those issues or areas is extended run time, where you purchase a UPS as well as an additional battery pack or two, and it allows businesses to continue operating through extended power outages.
We've been seeing a lot more of those lately, haven't we?
Yes, the market continues to grow, and I think it's as a result of our continued and growing dependence on power to power devices and make sure devices stay up and running even through an extended outage. The average power outage is about 8 to 10 minutes. However, an interesting statistic from J.D. Powers is the average extended power outage is 8 hours. So for businesses, 8 hours can sometimes be an eternity when they're out of power and business operations come to a screeching halt.
And we were talking before we got started here that another survey says that the majority of small business owners don't have any sort of plan for disaster, right?
Right. It's, according to Office Depot, 60% of small to medium-sized businesses do not have any type of power plan or disaster prevention and disaster recovery plan in place. And that's pretty shocking to me.
So what should every small business be considering right now?
Well, they should be considering the mission-critical devices that they have in their operation, and usually in putting together a business continuity plan, you rank devices by priority because you can't put 8 hours of battery backup time on every device, but your mission-critical devices that require power and have to maintain power, you usually rank those higher and put considerable amount of backup time on them, because when servers go down, communication systems go down, telephones go down, a business can actually lapse into what I call a business coma because they can't continue to do business.
Right, we've just become so dependent, haven't we?
Yes, we absolutely have. Absolutely have. And businesses don't run without servers and telephones, and security systems is another big thing. As I say, there is no security when the power goes out. Cameras go down, DVRs go down, access control systems. It's an absolutely vital thing to keep those types of systems up and running.
Now, I've known the Minuteman name for decades now, and I'm curious, what do you tell potential new customers who ask, why should I work with your brand versus another brand? What's the right answer there?
That's a wonderful question. Thank you for asking. Our message to end users and installers and integrators is that Minuteman offers better value. And we think, because we've been growing very nicely over the past couple of years, when a lot of companies are seeing a major downturn, we've actually grown substantially over the past couple of years. And I think it's a result of Minuteman having a very, very strong product offering at a very good price, and which represents better value for customers. And that's our mantra, and that's what we preach to prospective customers. And we think we do offer better value in terms of a longer warranty than the industry standard, greater reliability, which allows us to offer a longer warranty. In addition to that, fair price product that works really well, and we have, as I mentioned, we have enjoyed some nice growth over the past couple of years. And I think with economic conditions being what they are, people are shopping for better value.
Right.
They're not just giving, they're not just saying, give me the brand X.
Right.
They're looking at brand X, Y, and Z in order to determine what best suits their needs and what's the better value.
So Bill, one other question here. We've got IT managers who'll put in a UPS, but they may not know how long a typical UPS battery will last. What is the proper, so a lot of bad experiences are taking place from people that thought they were protected.
Right.
How often should they be replacing the batteries within these systems?
We recommend every 3 years. If the UPS is being used quite a bit because of power outages or brownouts or whatever, we do recommend maybe every 2 years, but we warranty our products, including batteries, for 3 years. So it's incumbent upon end users to replace the batteries during that warranty period. And we also offer some extended warranties that will cover the batteries up to 5 years. And we have a program whereby we notify the customer at the end of 3 years that it's time to change the batteries, and we send them an automatic email about, asking where do we send the batteries. So most UPS manufacturers in the 1 to 2 year area for batteries, we do a little bit differently. And again, it goes back to the value proposition that we offer protection for our customers with the 3-year battery warranty.
That's great. Well, thanks for being on the program today.
Absolutely. Good
Great
to see you again.
Yeah, pleasure.
Indeed.